Hi there, this is George Kosh with a GPT update for all of you who are interested in Worldprofit and what we have to offer you for your business, for your affiliate program. What I wanted to talk to you about today was the use of our AI assistants throughout our member area to help you, and of course, as you bring associates in, they're going to come in and they're going to be watching videos, and they're going to now have complete support from our AIs. For example, when somebody comes in and they want to watch the presentation YouTube video on the silver membership, traffic packages and everything, they can also now come in and access a GPT that is built and trained based on this entire video. And we click on it and you'll see it will even come up with some questions. This is a big one. What promotions are included? How can I advertise my business with this membership? What are the benefits of the silver membership? And can you guide me through the sign-up process? So, for example, when a customer comes in, an associate, and they're interested in understanding what the silver membership is, they can just click on what are the benefits. And the computer system will search through the video, the entire transcript, and with great detail explain, just like a human would, but much more efficiently, exactly what's included in the silver membership. And as you can see, the AI is saying, these are the traffic generation tools, traffic rotation system, Ruby Solo, unlimited traffic blaster, diamond rotator, premium guaranteed visitors, and lifetime upgraded memberships, business building tools. I won't go through all of these, but I find this absolutely fantastic. So, they can create a new chat. They can come in here and they can work on previous chats. Unbelievable. They could go back and they can ask more questions. How can I advertise my business? Of course, they can go in and ask questions like that. Most of them will just click on a previous question, and that is already set up. Okay, so they can also type in and say, how do I order? How do I order the silver membership? And the system will answer them. There's the silver membership order page. Okay. And of course, they check the order page and they can see the cost. So another way that we're using these trained AIs for Worldprofit is when a new member comes in and says, hey, I want to access some help with the latest workshops. So every week I do a workshop here. And as you can see, they come up. And what I've done is every time I do a workshop, I add the content of the workshop to the GPT. So what we're going to do is it says, how can I drive more traffic? What is the best way to use Safelist marketing? Things like that. So the student can come in here and ask questions and get good answers. How can you explain traffic exchange marketing? And this is only based on my videos, on what I've talked about. So you're going to get it straight from me. Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. So I won't go through the whole thing, but you can see these are the things that we talk about. And then, of course, the bootcamp lessons. I mean, there's a lot of lessons, and you might have questions about specific ones. So I've taken the time to upload all of these lessons to a GPT trained on them. And what it's going to do is it'll pick out the top questions. Can you explain traffic generation? What are the benefits of Platinum? For example, so we could come in here and just click and see what it says and question and probe it on questions that you might have about Worldprofit. Pretty phenomenal. Okay, so if any of you have any questions about this, I'm always available. The real me. All you have to do is fill out a support ticket. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it.